Drink water throughout the day. Drinking water during the day can help keep you feeling full without consuming high-calorie beverages such as milk, tea with milk, juice and snacks that will make you gain more weight. You may also eat less when you do have a snack, as you should already have the sensation of being full. Consuming fewer calories on a daily basis can help speed weight loss. If you do not enjoy drinking water, try flavored water instead. Buy calorie-free flavor packets for a more tasty water experience. For more suggestions on ways to enjoy water more, check out How to Love the Taste of Water. Set an alarm reminding you to have your water throughout the day. That way, you do not forget. This will also help you get into the habit of drinking water more regularly. Keep water near you. Always having a water bottle around will make it easier on you to drink more water. Buy a refillable bottle and keep it handy when you are home, at work, or out running errands. Drink a glass of water before every meal. The feeling of fullness will help you eat less, thus consuming fewer calories for improved weight loss results. Don't forget to monitor portion size and calorie intake as well. Water doesn't cancel out an unhealthy diet. Drink a full glass of water before, during, and after a meal to aid digestion and speed weight loss from the water. The water will help your body to break down the food and absorb its nutrients. Replace sweetened drinks with water. Instead of drinking soda, alcoholic beverages, smoothies, or other high-calorie drinks, grab a glass or bottle of water. Swapping in a zero-calorie beverage for high-calorie alternatives can spare you hundreds of calories per day, further aiding in weight loss. Match any alcohol consumption with equal amounts of water. This matched fluid intake should not count toward your daily water intake. Any water you drink for this purpose should be in addition to your daily water goal. Drink water and cut salt intake to lose water weight. Reducing the amount of dietary salt you consume can help you lose water weight quickly, particularly when combined with an increase in daily water intake. Try other flavors and spices instead of salt to flavor foods. Fresh herbs or garlic do not have negative health impacts and can be added to up the flavor of many foods. If a brand offers a low-sodium option, opt for that one. That is an easy way to enjoy the foods you love without the unnecessary salt. Sodium content is not always obvious, so check the nutrition label. Canned and frozen vegetables are high in salt, as are most restaurant dishes.
If you are interested, please click on the link below the video to watch the full content.